we have our Prescriptive solution, our moisture repair leave-in treatments. These are designed to give you moisture to the hair and also repair the hair at the same time. Firstly, we have our Revive. Our Revive is designed for someone that has normal to dry and also coloured hair. We also have our Intense. So our Intense is for someone that has extremely dry hair, coarse hair, and also coloured hair. Today with our model, we are going to use our Intense. As you can see that she has coloured hair. We're going to use about a 20-cent piece and we're going to distribute it evenly throughout the head of hair. Once you've placed the product throughout the head of hair, you're going to make sure you comb it through, so it's nice and evenly throughout the head of hair. This particular product is being infused with our argan oil and also our cacao oil, so that's going to give lots of nice moisture and antioxidants to the hair. As you can see, this is our final product from our moisturizer repair leave-in treatment. It's going to give you a nice smooth finish, it's going to give you lots of shine and nourishment to those mid-lengths and ends.